Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 62 Corvette Gasser, and I think Gasser is like a type of car where you modify your normal cars, raise it up a little bit, have a big engine on that. So here we have one from Hotwheels. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Corvette Gasser out of its packaging. The very first thing you will notice is it's much higher than a normal Corvette, and it's got different size wheels if you look at the side. But let's start from the front. So up front you've got the classic Corvette grille, twin headlamps which are not detailed, a big engine which comes out of the hood. You can see that on both the mirrors. Let's go to the driver's side. Again you can see how high it is, and you can see this difference in the wheels. Also the exhaust is coming out here rather than back somewhere. You still have the trim piece or the body line that goes here, but then again you've got different sponsors, numbers, number 62, Goodyear, Hayes, Chevy, Edelbrook, Gasser, all that, and a very different paint job too. Still retains the classic Corvette top, so you got this wraparound glass, this curving roof. Interior is done in chrome, which I'm pretty sure original car didn't. Let's move to the back. So in the back again you can see the spot for the tail lamps, but they're not detailed, so if you want you can detail it. So we got the chrome bumper, number plate, and this trunk, and the body line or trim continues here. Very classic looking again. The top is kind of untouched, it's all the under the body that the changes are. So let's see, like if I do this you can see the difference in the wheels. Like the rear wheels are huge and it's like thin and tiny. So now it's not a new casting. I think they did one before in a different color, but I got this recently, so I thought of reviewing it. Looks like a decent casting, and I think if you add few details it will look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.